In April, workers at JFK greeted a flight in head-to-toe hazmat suits. The passengers on this plane weren't people, they were monkeys, each one worth tens of thousands of dollars, ready to be sold for medical research after a month in quarantine.
These animals are worth so much money right now.
The international monkey trade exploded because of the pandemic. Monkeys were critical in the development of the COVID-19 vaccine. Microbiologist Deborah Fuller says without them, lives would have been lost.
I would have expected it'd probably take probably another year, maybe even up to 2 years longer than what it took to develop the first COVID-19 vaccines.
Fuller works at the University of Washington, one of 7 NIH primate research centers in the country, which is where Dr. Lisa Jones-Engel used to work as a leading primatologist until resigning 2 years ago. Deeply disturbed by how monkeys were being used in research, she joined PETA.
This U.S. kind of pipeline that is literally hoovering these monkeys out of the forest. We are wiping these monkeys off the face of this planet.
This video obtained by Action for Primates shows wild monkeys being pulled out of their native forest in Indonesia last year, destined to be exported for the research and testing industry.
It showed the brutal methods in which these animals were being trapped by large nets.
Sarah Kite of Action for Primates tracks the international monkey trade for research.
The way they were being forcibly restrained by trappers, and mothers and babies were separated. I mean, the whole thing was shocking.
The long-tailed macaques, which make up 99% of the monkeys imported into the U.S., are now classified as an endangered species. China used to supply the monkeys, but when the pandemic struck, Beijing shut the door. And Cambodian breeding facilities like these, filmed by NBC News, stepped in to fill the orders.
What is that leading to in terms of the international trade of monkeys right now?
This trade is so violent. It's so dark. It's so shady.
In 2019, Cambodia supplied 25% of the almost 34,000 research monkeys imported to the U.S., according to the CDC. In 2021, the number of monkeys from Cambodia increased to 60% of the U.S. supply.
Basic biology says you couldn't produce enough offspring each year to account for the tens of thousands that are being shipped over.
Just last month, the Department of Justice charged 2 Cambodian government officials and 6 others linked to this breeding facility with illegally exporting monkeys caught in the wild to the U.S. Ed Newcomer is a former investigator with U.S. Fish and Wildlife.
When you see the scope of it, when you really get into these trade shows and you see the amount of animals that are involved and some of the testing that is involved and just the way they live their lives, it's I don't think it meets any kind of moral standard from a human being's perspective.
Some Cambodian monkeys have ended up here at this massive facility in Texas. Last year, an executive was convicted of lying to federal agents about visits to monkey suppliers in Cambodia. The facility is now under new ownership and says it's not importing from Cambodia. For Dr. Jones-Engel, the concern goes beyond where the monkeys are coming from.
They're shoved in, they go through their little door. They're going to be peeing, they're going to be pooping, they're going to be bleeding because the edges are sharp. They're probably fighting in there. It is horrific.
Sometimes the shipments go awry. In January, a truck carrying monkeys from Mauritius crashed and crates were strewn around the highway. Michelle Fallon stopped to help.
It was very shocking at first. And then I immediately told the person who was on 911 to let them know that they were not cats, they were in fact monkeys.
The vast majority of research monkeys die in a lab. Very few wind up in a place like this.
We are dealing with traumatized animals.
A sanctuary for monkeys. Liz Tyson has a doctorate in animal welfare law.
Do you think long-tailed macaques should be used in medical research?
Absolutely not. We need to work harder at finding alternatives. It's not to say we shouldn't do research. It's to say we should, by now, be doing different research.
Would you personally like to get to a point where you no longer need these monkeys for this kind of research?
That's the ultimate goal. Is that going to be possible? I mean, I think about how complex the immune system is. Maybe years and years from now.
Until then, the demand for one of human beings' closest relatives to stand in for us in the lab is greater than ever. Stephanie Gosk, NBC News.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.